I grow strong in the soil to help keep your eyes sharp.
I add flavor and help protect your heart when you eat me.
I stay crisp to help keep your body light and healthy.
People are going viral with this talking fruit video. They are everywhere on social media, and in this video, I will show you exactly how they are made using free AI tools. Let's dive in. First of all, you need to plan your fruit character. Okay, so I'm on my notepad and I'm going to copy this prompt and I will take it to chatgpt. I'm on chatgpt. I will just paste the prompt, then tap on the send arrow. Here is the response from chatgpt. It gave us image prompts for carrots, video prompts, and dialogue. So go through the prompts. If you like what you see, the next thing is to copy the prompts. Let's copy the first prompt. Head over to Play Store. On Play Store, download Quen Chat. If you are using this app for the first time, it will ask you to install it. So after you install, you tap on Open. So you need to sign up with your Google account, alright? Then you will land on this interface. So here are amazing tools you can actually explore on Quen Chat. So for this tutorial, I'll just scroll to image generation. Then I will paste my prompts I copy from ChatGPT. Then click on this option here to select your aspect ratio. So I'm going to go with 16:9. Then I'll tap on the send arrow. So let's wait for it to generate our image. Our image is ready, so click on create video. So here is our image. Head back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt together with the dialogue. Head back to Quen, paste the prompt there. I'm going to erase this option and type make it say I grow strong in the soil to help keep your eyes sharp. So tap on the send arrow. It won't be up to 1 minute. Your video will be ready. Our video is ready, so let's tap on it to play it.
I grow strong in the soil to help keep your eyes sharp.
If you are okay with the video, just click on this download button. So wait, file downloaded successfully. So it has automatically downloaded to your phone. So head back, go back to ChatGPT. Let's copy the second prompt. Head back to Quen AI, click on new chat, scroll and look for image generation, then paste your prompt. Then I'm going to change this from cartoon style to realistic style. Remember to click on image generation to change your aspect ratio. Then tap on send. So our image is ready. So click on create video. So head back to ChatGPT and copy your video prompt and your dialogue and paste it. And type make it say, then click on the send arrow. Mind you, Quen Chat only generates 5 seconds video. Okay, so you want to make sure that your dialogue should be under 5 seconds. I don't know if you understand. Our video is ready, so let's tap on it to play it.
I add flavor and help protect your heart when you eat me.
Can you see that? The next thing you want to do is to tap on this download button. So this is how you can create this viral fruit video with free AI tools. You are not paying for any AI tools. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.